Hey guys, welcome back to the North Strand video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you send a payment through your Cash App account, you may face a problem that this payment was cancelled for your protection or this payment was declined for your protection. So, how can you fix it? So, guys, if Cash App failed for your protection, you can fix it very easily. So, simply, first of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you may go back, and if there is any update of Cash App in your app store, you may update your Cash App to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may just open settings again, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. After this, guys, you may open your Cash App account and you make sure that you have enough funds in your account. So if you have not enough funds and you may try to send payments, so you may face this problem. After this, guys, if you have enough funds, then you will click here, and guys, if you may see any unusual activity here, you may check them or you may solve them from here. Then guys, you may click here and you make sure that the identity of your recipient account is correct and he is verified and his limit is not reached to its maximum and he is not a scammer. So if he is a scammer, his account is reported many times, then you may face this problem also. After this, guys, if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys, you may click here on support and you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So you may click here on chat and you may write about all your problem here and you may contact to Cash App support team and they will solve it from here. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.